Howdy, I'm Linda Purcell with the Veggie Outlaws. Today we're going to make frightful almond finger cookies. Hop on board. A delightfully delicious Halloween cookie. In a deep bowl, add 2 tablespoons ground flax seeds along with 1/3 cup of aquafaba. Stir until combined and then set aside for 5 minutes to let it thicken. In a large bowl, sift in 2 cups of almond flour along with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Stir until well combined and set aside. To the thickened flax mixture, add in 1/4 cup each of brown sugar and coconut oil, along with 1 teaspoon each of apple cider vinegar and vanilla extract. Using an electric hand mixture, you're going to beat it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture thickens. Make the well in the center of the dry ingredients and slowly pour in the wet ingredients. You want to stir until it's just combined. Do not overmix. You want to stir it until it makes and comes together as a beautiful ball of dough. Using a measuring spoon, you're going to scoop up 1 tablespoon of dough and place it in the palm of your hand and roll it in to a nice slender finger size. Place on your parchment paper, making sure to leave at least 1/2 inch between each cookie. It should make about 28 pieces. Once done, you're going to need 28 slices of almond. You're going to place each slice of almond at the tip of each finger. This will look like fingernails. Using a butter knife, you're going to carve 2 knuckle joints onto each finger. Then you're going to bake in a preheated oven for 18 to 23 minutes or until the cookies are slightly browned. Once the cookies have set for about 10 minutes, you're going to spread them on a cooling rack. Using 4 teaspoons of strawberry jam for pretend blood, you're going to remove the almond slices from half the cookies and spread the jam on the nail bed before replacing the almond slices. Also add the jam to the other end of each cookie for dramatic effect. Using 2 teaspoons of maple syrup and a pastry brush, spread over each finger for the finishing touch. A sweet treat for trick or treat. We just finished making our frightful almond finger cookies, and it's time now for the taste test. Chop it off. So good. Stir up that like button and subscribe, and you can find a lot of amazing recipes on our website. Until next time, fellow Veggie Outlaws.